That black yo magic, 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 magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo. Look at that black yo, hitting me with all of that melanin, hocus baby, hitting me with all of that melanin, hocus.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Djanesha, for those who may or may not know, and I am back with another one, okay? And in this video, I am going to be doing something most naturals hate and do not like to do. I'm going to be blowing drying my hair to stretch it out because I was going to trim my ends and do a protective style, but I got lazy after I finished blowing drying my hair because it was a lot of fucking work. So we're just going to be... You just gonna have to watch your teeth and wait to the end to see what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, this is me stretching my hair. So you want to stretch your hair in sections. I use a leave-in conditioner, the Unjackie's leave-in conditioner. I use a little bit of black Jamaican castor oil, just a little dabble, and I also use a Fruities thermal protection, heat protecting spray. And how I stretch my hair is I use the tension method. The tension method is like when you pull your hair first and then you stretch your roots, and then after that you go in with a comb or a brush and you just comb through the rest of your hair to get it as straight as possible or stretched as possible. And if you want to, you could do the tension method throughout the whole thing, but I like to get it, get them strands kind of stretched, so I do go in with a brush or a comb to make that even better. So yeah, so I'm just gonna blow dry my hair, stretch it out, and then I'll come back when I am done. Alright, so I am going to do the other side off camera. As you can see, look at that magic. And I decided just to do like some cornrows to get me through the week. And then, yeah, I'm going to section my hair. If you can't get it as straight as possible, it's okay, because mine was a little curvy at the back. It was not straight. I had to have my brother come help me part my hair. So if you need help, get help. And yeah, so you're just gonna part your hair. If you don't know how to cornrow, you can do a flat twist, but I wanted braids. So just section your hair into 4 sections and then do your braids. If you don't know how to braid, I'm not gonna even tell you. I'll give you a tutorial because I suck at that. But it's a lot of videos on YouTube to help you learn how to cornrow your hair. So I'm just gonna grease my scalp with the black Jamaican castor oil, and then I bought this new Jackie product. It's like it's a creamy sealant. It helps keep the moisture in your hair, and it really works. I actually liked it. But yeah, so do you, boo. Slick them edges down. You're gonna start braiding, and you're gonna do that to all 4 sections of your hair. And yeah. Alright, so when you're done braiding, you're gonna sleek your edges, your baby hairs, be dramatic with them, be normal with them, do whatever you want to do, just give it your own taste. And then you're just gonna put some, I put setting mousse on top of mine to like help with the flyaways and things like that. You don't have to do that, but that's what I did. And then you're gonna put your rag on, or your headscarf, your do-rag, some wrap strips, anything you want to put on your hair to keep it in place. And then I will be back. Alright, so this is the final look. I'm gonna add some extra hair to my little ponytails in the back to give it like buns. So braids with the bun at the back, and then you're done. That's all you're gonna do. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.